Having a healthy work-life balance is a struggle for many Singaporeans. Even more so when we remember we still have chores at home. So how do we reclaim our precious time? One way is to hire a part-time maid from a cleaning agency. Let's look at the biggest benefits they can bring to our lives. Number 1. They have flexible schedules. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, you can book a part-time maid's services according to your needs. Number 2. They're affordable. Part-time maids are usually more budget-friendly than full-time maids. You only pay for the hours or the number of sessions you book them for. Number 3. They're professionals. If you're hiring a maid from an agency, you can trust them to be skilled and experienced. These companies often provide training opportunities too. This way, part-time maids can improve their house cleaning skills even further. Number 4. Hiring from an agency is more convenient. You can avoid all the paperwork and other procedures involved in hiring a part-time maid. Agencies also vet their maids carefully. Not only are they trained, but you can be sure they're trustworthy too. Number 5. They offer customizable service packages. You can hire a part-time maid to handle a wide range of chores depending on your household's needs. These aren't just limited to cleaning your home or doing the laundry. Some can even help you cook meals or care for your child. Number 6. No worries about long-term commitments. Unlike full-time maids that work on a contract that can last 2 years or so, you can hire part-time maids for only as long as you need them. Number 7. You have more privacy. Part-time maids don't spend all their day working for you. This helps you enjoy more privacy at home. As we can see, part-time maids certainly bring many benefits to our lives. With this new knowledge, you can make a more informed decision before hiring. If you need more advice when hiring helpers in Singapore, talk to us anytime. We're always glad to be of service to you.